I don't want to call it yet, but we're seeing a change in the marketplace. We're still experiencing bullies and offer nights, but there is a shift happening and a change in intent. When is supply coming back? Now remember, you won't hear this in the news because they're still talking about what happened in January, right, Jordan?
Yeah, they're finally maybe catching up.
Finally catching up, but now it's shifting again. Yes. So first, let's look at the real numbers. So now we're comparing April 2023 to April 2022. Yes. So sales are still down 5.2%. New listings are down almost 40%. Active listings are down now only 20%, so it's coming up. And prices are down 7.8%, but up almost 4% from March. So like we said, the market went up, came down, and now we're back on the way up.
Very quickly.
What are you seeing, Jordan? What are you seeing in the marketplace currently?
Well, getting back to that earlier number, why there's less listings, there's just less supply.
Yeah.
Right? So it's tough. I mean, I'm working with quite a few buyers right now, and it's tough.
It's tough.
So we're really hoping that some supply is going to bounce back, but of course that's driving prices, and we're seeing prices escalate very, very quickly. When we see the May numbers, Paul, I think we both know it's going to be front page news probably in the Toronto Star and what have you, that the market is exploding again. Of course, we said this 3 months ago,
January.
But anyway. So bottom line is talk to us and see what's going on in the marketplace from that perspective. Maybe your mortgage broker as well has a good idea of what's going on. Yeah. Do not read the newspaper.
Well, and interestingly, so we were talking to our stagers because we got a bunch of listings coming up, and they are getting slammed now. They're getting
tough
very
to book.
busy. They're tough to book.
They're tough to book.
So that means we're going to see supply on them coming on the market soon.
That's
right?
true. Yep.
And what's interesting is the data we just shared. That's all historical data. Right. That actually doesn't really matter. It more matters what's happening right now, and stagers are good leading indicator for sales.
They sure are, yeah.
And mortgage brokers are good leading indicator for buyers, right? Because they'll do all the pre-approvals, right?
And they are both very busy.
And they're both very busy. So, we're going to see some supply come back, but we're still going to have tons of buyers out there. And the other interesting thing when I was talking to the stager, remember their business, they need to turn over furniture, right? And, she said, the properly priced and marketed properties, which we know, are turning over quickly. The ones that aren't marketed well are sitting, and condos are actually sitting a bit longer, right. Which goes in line with what we've been saying is there is more condo supply coming on this year, so that market is a little bit different than the house market.
Right. Yeah, particularly that sweet spot of our upsizers, that 1.3 to 1.67 sort of market.
Not to put a number on it.
Right. Well,
yeah, there is a number.
The 3-bed, 3-bath house.
Yeah,
are really tough right now. Yeah. So and the market's very, very tight.
And condos never really went down. If you're looking to sell, let's get the listing out there before the supply comes online, right? And if you're looking to buy, truthfully, just start looking to buy, right?
Well, to your point, I would say that I'm actually looking at an opportunity on a place that was overpriced last week.
Right.
And it's been sitting now on the market for 2 weeks. And my client's going, well, why isn't it sold?
Yeah.
Why isn't it sold? What's the problem with it? I'm like, no, they just priced it. They just overpriced it. This is an opportunity.
Yeah.
So to your point, there are still some opportunities. You just got to really watch what's going on in the market right now.
And like Jordan always says, just make some offers.
Just make offers, exactly.
You will not get 100% of the houses you don't offer on. So I hope you found that hugely helpful. If you have any questions, shoot us an email, info@thinkto.ca, or press a button. Please like this video and smash that subscribe button. Talk soon.
Talk soon.